We all want things to be better.
I knew in order for me to give my children what they needed, I needed more money. I needed training, I needed a school, and I needed a job.
I need to have something to have some purpose in my life, make my life fruitful.
The good thing is, here in Northeast Ohio, we are masters of the comeback. We make our own opportunities. Manufacturing is our proud past. It's our bright future. We can make things better because we make the things that run the world. The things that build communities, feed families, save lives. Manufacturing is the engine that drives Northeast Ohio.
Manufacturing is a powerhouse in Cleveland, but we're falling behind on innovation and technology. Transformation is coming fast. We can let it happen to us, or we can choose to lead it.
It's time to forge a new future.
We can't just rebuild. Now's the time to reinvent our industry, to transform the way we work, to really innovate. And if we get this right, we can make things better for everyone.
We can lead the world in smart manufacturing, digital, automated, connected. We can be the capital of manufacturing education. We can invent the future. But this bold vision needs bold action.
We have an opportunity to reimagine manufacturing in a way that makes a real impact on our community and every single individual who lives in it.
Together, we can make things better.
Manufacturing has changed my life.
Manufacturing has changed my life for the better. Because I go to bed with a purpose and I wake up with a passion, for my job in manufacturing.
Together, we can change lives and our region's future if we do 4 things. Train the talent we need, transform with technology, win with innovation, and boldly lead our companies and our industry. If we do all this,
We can make it better.
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 we have a blueprint to lead the world, to create thousands of jobs. We have a powerful team of companies and community leaders.
We're all on the same mission, and I think we can pull it off. I really do.
We just have to do what manufacturing does best: make it better.